welcome back. This is vlog 22. I'm just in my dorm right now. I'm gonna fix up my quad because Max broke the arm last time, so I'm just gonna put a little quick cut of that being fixed right now, and I'm gonna head out to a field or something. Alright, I'm back again at this park with the playgrounds there and the skate park there and some trees here. This park, I think it's called Cuba Hunter Park, I'm not entirely sure, but that fixing the quad took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I thought it would just be like swapping on the new arm and then I'm done, but no, I swapped on the new arm, then I saw the signal wire came off the motor, so I had to originally attach it to the PDB because I had that feeding all of them into the flight controller through a plug, but instead I had to just do that one wire straight up to the flight controller because the pad on the PDB actually got pulled off when the wire came off, so I just had to rig up that thing. And then I'm pretty sure the motor was grounding because it was really hard to spin. So I had to double check all my solder joints and check it with the voltmeter and everything like that. So it was supposed to be only about 20 seconds of editing or of the time lapse of me fixing it, but instead it ended up being 3 minutes or something really long. But I'm at the park now. I don't have that long to fly, so I'm gonna try to get some packs in before I leave, but should be a nice spot to fly. I'm kind of excited for this. I finally got the sim working again. I had to reset the driver on the remote so that it could work with the computer, but it works now, and I'm pretty glad for that because I can get back to training. Alright, so I left my packs, the batteries, in the dorm. I thought I packed them with me. I did a double check of the dorm just before I left and I didn't see them there, so I assumed I had in my bag. Apparently not. They're somewhere in the dorm because I don't have them now, so I have to go back because I have a class that starts sort of soon in an hour, so I should have enough time to get back. But I'll either be flying later today or sometime tomorrow, so I'll probably give you guys another update of what's happening then, not just cut some flight footage now. But yeah, this kind of sucks. I'll see you pretty much now-ish, but for me it's gonna be either another day or something. Alright, it's a new day and I'm at a new park. I'm at Ed Austin Park, I think that's what it's called. This is a really nice park. All the trees are really nicely spaced and everything. I'm glad I went to this park as opposed to the other one. It's just that usually this park is full of disc golfers. As you can see, there's a hole there. There's another one right over there. This place is usually pretty full of disc golfers because this is a 21 hole or something, a really big disc golf park. But it's kind of nice to see it open. Alright, I'm just gonna catch some flying. This has been a long enough video already. Alright, that's the end of the vlog for today. I really like this spot. The flying was okay. I thought I could have done a bit better, but I only flew 2 packs and I left because I have to get back to my dorm. But it still was pretty good flying. I liked it a lot and I like the spot a lot. I'll definitely be coming back here again. This has been a bit of a long vlog already, so I'm just going to end it now. As always, onward and upward.